Hi, this is Jeff Spencer, Math for Liberal Arts instructor for the Community College of Denver, and this is a video to show you how to get the loan payment formula, our last formula in this sheet, into the Google Spreadsheets or Microsoft Excel. So in the last video I was doing the annuities formulas, so you will want to create a third tab and call it the loan payment formula. After you should, on the same document, you should have the compound interest formulas on your first tab, the annuities formulas on your second tab, and the loan payment formula, which we'll create here on the third tab, which is this last formula here, that's loan amortization, or sorry, loan payment, which we, for installment loans like car loans, some student loans, and mortgage loans, which are home loans. So we're going to put this formula here into the Google Sheet. And for that formula, we're going to need, I'll delete the formula. And for this formula, we're going to need our P, R, N, and T. And we're going to put in this formula. Okay. So I'll pause the video, make sure you get in all the preloaded information, and then come back and we'll put in the formula. Okay, we're back. So now we want to do the equal for the formula. First thing in the formula is going to be our P. We're going to do the top here. P times parenthesis R divided by N. So P is going to be that cell with our number in there, times parenthesis R divided by N. One of the most common things that I see students forgetting is to put that little asterisk for the times next to the parenthesis. It is a thing about Excel and Google Sheets that we can't just put a cell next to a parenthesis, we do have to write the times. Then we're going to do the fraction bar, the big long fraction bar, so that is a divide. And now we have to do parenthesis 1 minus, parenthesis 1 plus. So left parenthesis 1 minus, left parenthesis 1 plus. Then we're doing the rate divided by n, right parenthesis. Then we're raising that to the negative n times t. So to the exponent, parenthesis, negative, that negative key is just by your 0 key on the keyboard, n times t, right parenthesis, and then another right parenthesis. Press enter, and if you're getting the $1,468.79 with these numbers that I have here, then you're on the right track. Okay, so this, and if you don't have the format in currency, go to format, number, currency, and it'll give you that. So we can use this to compute the loan payment, the monthly payment for all kinds of loans, and answer other questions from there. That's it.